Okay guys, so I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Jay Finance. I am using these YouTube videos as entertainment purposes only. This is what I'm doing, just trying to supplement a W-2 income with some options trading and some dividends. So follow me along on my journey. This week I happen to have made almost $3,000 this week with some option trades, and I made a chunk of change, about $200 with Misty, and another $200 with HOOW. The markets, as you know, has dropped significantly. We did see some green, a little bit of green on Friday, so we're good to go. Let's do this. So starting off strong, I did have Oscar. I had a $18 strike put, cash secure put, which I did lose some money on. I lost about $50 with the stock market dropping because of the government shutdown or whatever. I was in danger of being put the shares, which I didn't really want, and that's something that we should focus on, is not putting cash secure puts on stocks that we do not really inherently want. So lesson learned. And moving on, I have 200 shares in Joby, MP Materials, Tempest AI, IonQ, and Palantir, SOUN, SoundHound. I also have NVDL. And I made a significant amount of money because Robinhood had earnings this week. I did make a little bit of chunk of change because, like, during earnings, the stock price, the premiums go up, and so I made about the bulk of my trades were in Palantir and Robinhood, and both of them had earnings. And Palantir, I made about $500 in premium twice, once last week and this week as well. And then Robinhood, I put up 200 shares covered calls and made like 500 and 400 respectively each. So that was like the bulk of my money, and yeah. Okay, let's just jump right into it. For the week of November, the first week of November, ending in November 7th, Friday, we made almost $3,000, about $2,999. The first one, I lost money on Oscar Health, OSCR. What do? We bought a cash secured put for $18 with a premium of $97, and I bought it back for $130 so that's a loss of about like 40 cents. Joby, so we're doing cover calls. The whole market dropped for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been in the red. Government shutdown, but Joby, which partnered with NVIDIA to do their like flying taxis, my average is $17.50 on that, and I sold 2 cover calls, one for $18 and one for $19. And so I collected $90 and $63 total, so that's about $150. Those, I closed them out on the 6th, I don't know why, for 3 cents and 2 cents respectively. It would have made more sense to just let them expire worthless. MP, also another one, the China and Mr. Trump made a deal for rare earth materials. MP, the stock price completely went down. I did a covered call on that. My average is pretty high too. I did a covered call with a strike price of $80 for $79 in premium, and I bought that back for 12 cents. Don't know why I brought it back. Again, I should have let it expire worthless. So TEM, Tempest AI, I had a cash secure put for $85, the strike, and I collected $454 in premium. That I closed early, thank God I did, otherwise I would have been assigned, and I bought it back for $275. IonQ, that one's coming, it's making a comeback. I have 200 shares. I did a cover call for those. Strike price at $69 and $70. Collected $261 and $251. Closed those early. Again, don't know why I did that, for 3 cents and 4 cents. NVDL, I did a buy right on this, and it was trading really high because of NVIDIA. This is a leveraged fund. I did the strike price of $120, covered call, collected $542. I closed this on October 31st. Don't know why I did that for $1.50. I don't know. I'm gonna start writing notes and see. Another covered call, SOUN, Palantir. Let's talk about Palantir. So Palantir, I have 100 shares at a really high cost basis, and I sold it was during earnings, I sold a $215 covered call with a strike price of $215, collected $470 in premium, closed it on the 6th for $220. I don't know why. But Palantir has dropped. I think Michael Burry made some comments about how it's overvalued and how he's shorting it. So I guess the stock price dropped. But that was significant premium that I collected there. I'm looking to just do an in the money covered call for next week and try to get rid of 100 shares if I can, to free up some stuff so maybe I can get into QQQ. Hood had earnings, and I thought this thing was going to skyrocket. It did not. I had a strike price of $155 and $165 for $285 and $243 in premium, and those I let expire worthless, so I collected money on that. And now I know why I let Palantir. I closed it out early so I could write another covered call, and I did it for $197.50. This is going to expire next week. Well, no, I closed it out on the 7th for $62 and collected $545 minus 62. And there you have it. So far for the month of November, let's go up, we collected $2,998.45 in premium. That was the video, guys. Let me know if you loved it, hated it, what you guys are doing for extra income. I would love to hear how you guys go about getting extra income, passive income especially. Let me know how you're doing it. What dividend stocks are you guys getting into? I would love to know all the things.